Assalamu alaikum, it's me Jasmine. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can add payment methods inside your Fiverr account. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, to add payment methods to your Fiverr account, you want to click on your profile and then you want to click on billing and payments. Okay, after you switch to ceiling, you want to click on billing and payments, then you want to click on valuable balances. So I had like $20 here, but I have withdrawn it. I have withdrawn the funds. So you want to click on your earning page. This will take you directly, guys, to your earning page. As you can see, I have withdrawn. We have withdrawn $20. So here you will find here your available balance, and but you need you guys to add payment methods. Do you want to click on manage payout methods, and you will find here a few different options including PayPal and the bank transfer. So you can link Pioneer or you can link PayPal, but it doesn't let me click on PayPal because I don't have any available balance right now. Available balance later. So for you will be able to click here. So PayPal, the minimum would like the minimum withdrawal balance is like $35, and the bank transfer the minimum amount is $20. Okay, as you can, it says here cash can only be withdrawn in the USD. Okay, so hopefully this video, guys, helped you. There's exactly how you can link your payment like how you can add payment methods. So this video, guys, helped you. Please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. So see you guys next video. Allah Hafiz, take care, and bye bye.